lang katawan kundi pati isip ang sinusubok sa sport climbing. At para kay Praj de la Cruz, naging susi ang matatag na mental game upang maabot ang pinakamataas na pwesto at tanghaling national champion sa Women's Elite Bouldering ng Climbing Nationals 2026. May report si JB Junio.
Ipinakita ni Praj de la Cruz ang kanyang tibay ng isip at kakayahan matapos maging kampiyon sa Women's Elite Bouldering sa Climbing Nationals 2026. Ayon kay de la Cruz, hindi lamang pisikal na lakas ang kailangan sa sport climbing, kundi pati matinding paghahanda sa mental aspect.
Yes, I would say that preparing for this competition, it was literally mostly mental game. Because in the sport of where everything is so physical and physically battling, it's so important that you have to train your mental game also.
Matapos ang matinding labanan sa finals, inamin ni De La Cruz na puno siya ng emosyon at pagmamalaki sa pagkakamit ng titulo bilang pambansang kampiyon. Anya, higit pa sa personal na tagumpay, nagbubukas din ito ng mas maraming pagkakataon upang maiwagayway ang bandila ng Pilipinas sa mga susunod na international na competition.
I am so far euphoric and overwhelmed with my feelings of winning this year's title. I'm super proud to be the Philippine national champion for women. I have an opportunity to represent the Philippines in so much more upcoming comps, and my competitors were amazing, and I'm so glad that we could be teammates and hopefully we could push the sport of climbing further.
Hindi pa man nagtatapos ang hamon para sa batang climber dahil nakatuon na agad ang kanyang pansin sa lead climbing competition, isang disiplina na nangangailangan ng mas mahabang pagtitiis at matinding concentration.
Lead is a very interesting discipline in climbing because it takes a lot of endurance. And that endurance has to be consistent and sustained throughout the entire competition. So when I am competing for lead, mostly it's about how much I can calm myself down while I'm on the wall.
Samantala, masaya rin si De La Cruz sa patuloy na paglaki ng sport climbing sa bansa at umaasang mas maraming kababaihan ang papasok at mangangarap sa climbing.
I would say that climbing is definitely a sport that is pushing forward and becoming more common, especially in the Philippines. I am looking forward to seeing more women athletes, especially competing in finals for elite women. I want to see this sport grow, and I want to see competitors that I could look as teammates going forward. And if we could grow this sport so it could become so popular one day, then that would make me happy. I would want climbing to be a sport that gets into the main headlines and becomes the main event.
Habang nakatuon na siya sa mga susunod na kompetisyon, patuloy namang nagsisilbing inspirasyon si Praj sa bagong henerasyon ng mga Pilipinong climber na nagnanais makipagsabayan sa mundo ng international sport climbing. JB Junio para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bayan.